બીજા એક રિઝલ્ટ્સની ઉપર ચર્ચા કરી લઈએ. કલ્યાણ જ્વેલર્સના રિઝલ્ટ્સ પોસ્ટ થયા હતા. એની પર આપણી સાથે વાતચીત કરવા માટે કંપनीના ईडी रमेश कल्याण रामन जोड़ाई चुका है. रमेश जी, शुक्रिया मेरे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. सबसे पहले तो डिमांड फ्रंट से शुरुआत करें. डिमांड कैसे रिवाइव हो रही है पिछले साल के कंपैरिजन में? एक आइडिया अगर आप मुझे दे पाएं, क्योंकि जहां तक मैं समझ रही हूँ डिसरप्शंस के बाद अब काफ़ी इंडस्ट्रीज थोड़ी पेसअप हो रही है. आपके लिए ये क्वार्टर कैसा था, उसी से शुरुआत करें.
Yeah, so we are very happy with the outcome of Q1 because first of all, we are a consumer front brand where when your showrooms get closed, your revenue gets hit and which impacts your bottom line. But why we are happy with the outcome is that the momentum which we see in the stores when they are open are extremely strong. We see huge shift from unorganized to organized. We see a lot of new customer walk-ins. The growth of new customer walk-ins is more than 50%. The gross margins are steady. And now when we speak, all our showrooms are open on weekdays. For only on weekends, there are about 15-20% of the showrooms which are closed. So that is why we are happy with the outcome of Q1.
Okay. And regarding the unlocking phenomena, the way we are witnessing that, how do you see a complete normalization returning in next 2 to 3 quarters? And if we are anticipating any fear regarding third wave also of corona?
Yeah, so at present, when you talk about July and August till today, the momentum has been extremely strong. It is very comparable with the Q4 kind of momentum, and all our showrooms are open today. But if you ask about the third wave, etc., which is not there in our hands, it is tough for us to forecast. But the only thing which we focus is the comeback of the sector. Whenever the stores are open, we see high traction. And when you compare with the previous financial year, Q1, we have already grown our revenue by 109%. Q2, when we speak, all the stores are open. And Q3 and Q4, if it maintains the momentum, this year is going to turn around well.
Agreed, sir. And about compulsory hallmarking, how do you see that shifting from unorganized market share towards the organized market share for the sector? How would that benefit, and what kind of beneficiary measures do you think are these?
Yeah, so hallmarking is again a very revolutionary step taken by the central government. It is going to make our industry more transparent. It is going to again increase the momentum from the unorganized to organized. And even now there is a high traction. It is going to again increase because of hallmarking coming into action. So that is also already announced, and it is getting kind of practically done now. So we are awaiting the result of that too.
Agreed, sir. I wanted to understand all year round performance, kind of the targets that you have set for, because we have already completed Q1 and the kind of recovery and demand revival that we are witnessing globally also and domestic front also. What are your sense looking forward to it? What kind of margins will we try to maintain given the condition? What would be the band, if you can roughly help me out with?
Can highlight for this current year is that the revenues already, the momentum is very high. The gross margins are almost comparable with Q4. It is a bit steady now. And we already opened 9 new showrooms in the first quarter itself, wherein the whole revenue is going to come for the full year. The momentum is strong from July, August till today. And we see a very good tailwind for organized segment. So the customs duty impact, which was there in our gross margin, is also not going to be there for the full quarter and for the rest of the year. So these are the positive things for this running financial year.